Calesa. In Cebu, it's commonly called Tartanilla or Parada. A horse-drawn carriage, and was one mode of transportation introduced to the islands in the 18th century by the Spanish colonizers. And was initially reserved for only nobles and high-ranking civic officials. In Cebu, it is one of the oldest mode of transportation, and the driver is commonly called cochero. The paradas used to rule the main roads of Cebu, but as years went by, when motorized vehicles began to dominate, the paradas were only allowed in certain areas like Santiago and Leonquila streets and 3 de Abril. Today, the paradas are confined within Pasil, Dulho, and Tabuan. The Tartanillas or paradas are part of the heritage and culture of the Cebuanos. In fact, there's a saying that you're a real Cebuano if you have taken a Tartanilla ride, if not regularly, at least once or twice in your life.